welcome to the salon.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Please have a seat right here. Good morning, sir. What can I do for you today?
Can I get my hair dyed?
Sure. What kind of hair dye would you like?
There's a different kind of hair dye.
Hair dyes are common in today's society. They are very popular, yet not many understand how they work along with the possible damaging effects that come with hair dyes.
This is the structure of hair. Hair is made up of the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. The medulla is the core, and the cortex is outside of the medulla and contains pigments that give hair its natural color. Finally, the cuticle is the outermost protective layer of hair. These are the three different types of hair dyes: temporary, semi-permanent, and permanent. Temporary hair dyes only coat the outermost layer of hair, which is the cuticle, and they do not penetrate past this layer, therefore last only one wash. Semi-permanent hair dyes can penetrate the cuticle, but do not go past the cortex and do not chemically alter hair. Therefore, they last around 10 to 15 washes. Finally, permanent hair dyes do chemically alter hair and penetrate past the cuticle and cortex. Therefore, they do not wash out and last until the hair grows out.
Permanent hair dyes consist of a developer that contains an oxidizer, which starts the reaction, an alkaline chemical to create basic conditions for the reaction, small dye precursors that can enter the cuticle and form intermediates, and dye couplers which react with intermediates to form large polymers that cannot escape. In step 1, a small dye precursor is added to a developer and is oxidized to form an intermediate. In step 2, the dye coupler is added and reacts with the intermediate to form a larger polymer. In step 3, the polymer is further oxidized to form the final dye molecule, which is too large to leave the hair follicle.
We can compare how hair dyes work using a fishing net analogy. Temporary dyes are like seaweed getting stuck to the fishing net. Stray objects like seaweed may get stuck on the outside of the net, but eventually float away as the current flows. Temporary dyes coat only the outside of the hair, which is why they are removed easily with shampoo. Just like the seaweed does not get stuck inside the net, the temporary dye does not actually penetrate the hair, allowing for easy removal. Semi-permanent dyes are like small fish that get caught in the net for only a short time and can find their way out easily. Semi-permanent dyes penetrate the cuticle but do not last long and are washed out easily, just like the small fish are stuck in the net for only a short period of time. Permanent dyes are like catching larger fish. As more and more fish enter the net, there's less room for the fish to escape and they become stuck. Permanent dyes enter the cuticle as small dye precursors, but a chemical reaction occurs and large polymers are formed that cannot escape, just like single large fish entering the net and getting stuck when more and more fish are caught.
So that's the end of my explanation about hair dyes. Yes?
Yes, I understood everything. Can I get my hair dyed now?
Alright.